End up. I always end up procrastinating when I have a deadline.
They have ended up in a situation they never expected.
We ended up choosing the restaurant that everyone recommended.
While working on the puzzle, I ended up getting frustrated.
If we don't leave now, we'll end up missing the train.
While I was studying for the exam, I ended up falling asleep.
If you don't save money now, you'll end up regretting it later.
I always end up forgetting my keys at home.
She's worried that she might end up missing her flight.